Increase the view. It is minimized, I think. Make it a full screen.
Right. Yeah, got it. Oh, it's again. Yes, now I can see. Yeah.
No worries. So in SAP, the architecture is known as R3 system, wherein the first layer is the application layer. Okay.
Okay.
The second layer is the database layer. Third layer is
In R3, right?
yes. In any SAP system, like if it is an on-premise system, this is not about cloud. Remember, in cloud the systems are different, but we don't need to know about cloud right now because we are learning SAP HCM. Okay.
Yeah.
So in this, we don't need to learn cloud now. So in the R3 system, there are three kinds of structures that is known as an R3 system. The first layer is the application layer, second is the database layer, and third is the graphical layer. Okay.
Okay.
That is the database which is being primarily followed. Now, out of this, being into SAP HCM, you will need to only look at graphical layer. Graphical layer is
Okay.
the layer in which we will be working. This is the graphical layer. Okay. In other words, it can also be called as GUI, graphical user interface.
Okay.
So since we would be working in HCM, we only need to
Yeah.
know about GUI. Okay.
GUI.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Graphic user interface.
This is there on the document. If you look at this one, SAP HCM introduction.
Yeah. Actually, I was looking for this file. I could not find this file. I don't know why.
Which file? On the Chrome?
Yeah, on the drive.
Mm-hmm.
I could not find this file.
Okay. Share your screen once, just quickly for 1 minute.
Just a second. How do I share the screen? I don't know.
No, it's okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Can you see my screen now?
It might take 1 minute. Yes,
Okay.
it's starting now.
Okay. So see, this is my Google Drive.
Click on the left, shared with me. This is your drive. Left. Yes.
Okay.
This SAP HCM Khushi. Last week. Yes, this is the one.
So these are the files.
Yes. Because my drive is your drive, wherein you have stored your documents. Shared with me is the file name for which anyone else would have shared you any file. It will come and shared with you.
So my drive is my drive.
Yes, it's your drive. It's like your home. Now shared is the marketplace, wherein everyone who is sharing you anything, that will come there. Okay. Through Google Drive.
Okay.
Through Google Drive, if anyone shares anything, that will come on shared with me. And my drive is your drive, wherein you will be sharing anything to others, or you might have stored any files there. Okay.
I got it. Yeah. So, okay. So now we can get back to the thing.
No worries. You can stop sharing your screen.
Okay. Okay, here. Yeah. Right?
Yes, it's fine. Now, next we want to look at the organizational structure today. Okay.
Yeah, I read this.
Okay, great. So in SAP, there are three kinds of organization structure. One is an organization structure. Second is the enterprise structure. Third one is the personal structure.
Structure, yeah.
Now, right now, only concentrate about organization structure because it is the basic first function which we would be doing when we would be implementing SAP HCM system in any organization. Okay.
Right.
So because you need to start with the company, then once you start with the company, you need to hire a few people, right? So for hiring a few people, you need to create a few jobs. Now, once the jobs are created, you need to create few positions, right?
Yeah.
Then, so that is how the initial phases of starting up with SAP HCM happens. So it contains the organizational element objects or elements. These are called building elements. Building elements means the way in which we are building the company. Okay. So in SAP terms,
Okay.
they call it as objects and elements.
Okay.
That is why it is
Objects and elements both are same thing, right?
no. We'll cover that.
Okay.
Organization structure is elements.
Okay.
So if you create any organizational object, system will assign 8-digit numeric number, which is called a unique
Yeah.
number.
Yeah. I read this all.
Okay, great. So here, if you see, we have some short forms for the organizational keys, and these are the organizational objects, which we will
I
be
learned
main.
these also.
Great. No, it's okay. I need to go through it because otherwise, how will I explain it to you?
Yeah. Of course, I can understand.
So if you create any organizational objects, the system will assign 8-digit numeric number. So suppose if
Yeah.
you are creating any organizational unit today,
Why 8-digit? Is there any specific reason behind it?
no specific reason, it just SAP
Okay.
works like that. So suppose if you want to create any organizational structure today,
Yeah.
so what you will do is you will log into the system, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this will be the access. Okay. So you will come here, come to human resource, scroll down below, come to organizational management. You can do it in your system.
Okay. How to do this?
Okay, just a second. Let me do it on your screen. You open it up. You share your access once. Yes, I can see them. It's again asking for server details.
Yeah. Actually, I messaged that girl, whatever her name was, I don't remember. So yeah, I don't know, she didn't reply me back. And I have some family issues here going on these days. So I was a little bit busy these days.
That's okay. But you tell her about this because it is very irritating.
From today onwards, I'm completely free. Actually, there was we have a friend whose surgery was going on. Today was his surgery, and his wife is staying at our place. So, we were very worried. And exactly at 7 o'clock of India, the doctor called us that the surgery went well, because here we are not allowed to be at the hospital.
Okay.
Yeah, so we cannot meet him we cannot meet him since in the hospital like for 15 days or so. So yeah.
अलाउड ही नहीं है वहाँ पे कि कोई ऑपरेशन सर्जरी होता है तो
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. And it was a critical surgery because सुबह 7 बजे से चल रहा है.
अरे बाप रे.
अभी 3:30 बजे खत्म हुआ है.
ऑर्थोपेडिक था क्या?
हार्ट का.
ओके.
कुछ वॉल्व डलना था.
हाँ,
तो या
इंडिया में भी इट्स वेरी सीरियस इन दिल्ली स्पेशली.
Exactly, yeah. So we were, very busy talking to them, and we were going to the hospital when we were dropping him yesterday. So yeah, things were going like this because because of Corona, they're not meeting anyone, and we were quarantined just to stay with them. Yeah.
It's okay.
Okay.
We will not do much. Don't worry about it. I will not clear.
Okay, no. So that's why I was very busy, but now I have time.
No. In that way, like I will not cover any big topic today, so that's okay. You can log in.
Okay. Approve.
They've given you weird passwords, username. 47.
I don't know. This is my username. And I put the password. What I have to do now?
Hit enter.
Enter.
Now click on this green tick below.
Okay, what is green tick?
This is the green tick. Okay, I'm just doing it. Can you see?
Okay.
This one.
We are again on the scratch.
It went off. Just a second.
Yeah.
Just a second. Minimize this Google Drive.
Okay. Oh, I already
Yes, it's
opened. I already opened it here. Sorry.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Click on
Yeah.
human resource.
HR. Yeah.
Now click on this option below organizational management.
This, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Now click on expert mode.
Export mode.
Now scroll down below, click on simple maintenance.
This.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Now see here you get three options. One is
Create, change, and display.
Change and display. Okay, so create is to like suppose you need to create an organization from scratch today. So you will use
Right.
create. Now in case if you have already created one organization or you want to change any organization which is already there in the system. Okay.
Yeah.
And third option is to display, like if you need to display any organization or check that who is the boss, who is the position holder or whatnot.
Display means where to display?
Like suppose if you only need to check any company details, like who all are working in that company or what are the positions, what are the jobs. So you will just get the option to display there. You will not be able to edit anything on the display option.
Right.
Change is
like a company's homepage.
Not a homepage. Homepage is on a website. This is under the ERP. So here you will see the details related to SAP HCM only.
Okay, I got it. Okay.
So suppose if you are clicking on change and you know the company name, okay. So you can click on change and you can type in the company name. Click on change.
Just a second.
Double click on it. Yes.
Yeah.
So now you will see that this page is opened up it is giving you options to search. Okay. The organization unit. Now to search the organization unit, you get here in this option. Don't do it with name. No.
Okay.
Click on this icon and here you will get a search term. Okay. So
what?
it will always search with a asterisk sign. Okay. You see the asterisk is automatically there.
That star you're talking about?
Yes.
Okay.
So now click on this green tick. These are the organizations. Okay.
So these are the organizational units.
Yes, these are the organization units with the organization abbreviations. This is the organization name. This is the name of the short name of the organization, which means it is an abbreviated form. Okay. These are the start date and the end date. So they started and this is end date is always by default taken as 31/12/1999. Okay, 4 times 9. Because, because if you take it for 2 years or 3 years, after 2 years, if you need to change anything, it will be tough, right?
Yeah.
Give me 1 minute. Okay.
Yeah.
Hello. Yes. Hello.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. There was a
No,
call.
that's okay.
So today, what you do is,
Yeah.
because since you need to understand the screen navigation also,
Mm-hmm.
click on any details of the company. Like, just a second. I'm taking the remote control. Give me the access once.
Yeah. Done.
Suppose these are the companies here, right? Production, sales.
Mm-hmm.
What is happening now? There is an issue with Zoom. This is an organization unit which is without any details.
Yeah. So these are all the organizational structure, this human resources, payroll, total
Yes,
numbers,
yes, yes.
accounting.
Like some people created a name of human resource because generally the system is accessed by the trainees only.
And what is this number or in front of organizational unit?
Number of the organization unit. It has an 8-digit code, right?
Ah, okay, right.
So here you can see the details about the organization. Like it is showing here AI Crobe. What it is written here? Crobe.
Crossed by.
Cross by, okay. Mrs. Sally Jones, then the technical present is not occupied. This position is not occupied. IT development
Okay.
is occupied by this person. Technical is occupied by this person, and this is the person. So,
Okay, so this is a kind of a department, and in this department there are these positions filled by these persons, isn't it?
yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, I got it.
So here you can also create your own organization. Like suppose if we go back, this is the back button on top.
Okay.
So click on this option now. Create. Click on create.
Okay.
Okay, now your screen is minimized. I don't know why it is minimizing everything.
Oh, okay. Do I need to do something?
No, no, yeah, and now I can see it. So now you are starting with an organization, okay? So
New organization, you mean?
yes. So click on
Okay.
any name which you want to keep. If you are not remembering anything, put it test.
Test would be nice. Yeah.
Test me.
Yep.
Same name, you can put it on name, copy it and paste it.
Oh, sorry. Actually, I'm not used to this
No, you don't need to tell
keyboard.
me sorry. Keep on telling me sorry. It's okay.
Oh, because I don't use this computer.
No, it's
Yeah.
okay. Now hit enter. Just a second. If you see the
Oops.
validity period is starting from today's date, right? 4, 5.
Yes.
Which means your validity starts from today's date. Okay.
Okay.
So that means your organization is now created. Okay.
So
By
I'm
the name
creating a
of,
new organization, you mean, right?
yes. By the name of
Okay.
Test Me.
Test me.
Now, in case if you need to create other details like a position or department or stuff like that,
Yeah.
you can do it from here. Here you see there is an option on if
Yeah.
you see my pointer.
Cursor. Yeah. Create. Yes.
So this is what you are saying. If you click on it, it is showing you create organization unit,
Okay.
which means under this you are creating whatever you will be creating it will be
Yeah.
happening under this. Remember that, okay?
Okay.
Because your company is test me, right?
Uh-huh. So
So
what is the order, the chronological order?
no, there is no order here. You can create the first order is the name of the company with the abbreviation, right? And later on,
Mhm.
there's no order. Like you can create department, you can create position, jobs, whatever you feel like you can do it. Generally, the order is followed as like name of the company, then department, then job, and the position holder. Okay.
So the test may is the department, right?
Name of the company.
Okay, test may is the name of the company, and
Yes.
now we'll create different organizational units, right?
Yeah. Which means in other language you can say these are the departments.
I got it. Like marketing,
Yes.
research,
Yes. Yes.
development. Okay. Yeah.
So suppose you put it here HR
R&D.
and one for marketing.
Okay, marketing. Yeah. So there's no full abbreviated form of marketing?
Yeah, there is. You can put it or whatever it feels like to you.
MKT, right? I don't know. Is there any designated full forms, or we can type anything?
As of now, you can put it anything, because when you will be working on the live system, you will get the complete Excel sheet to do it, to do the entire
Okay.
configuration, because in that everything will be mentioned, like what will be the company name, what are the departments name, what will be
Got
the
it.
jobs, what will be the positions, and who will be
Right.
the position holder, everything will be there. Okay. So now click on this
Okay,
part.
so you saved it, right?
Yes, yes. Should I do it once again? Just a second. I'll do another one, another department. Maybe,
R&D.
yes, you can put it as IT. So you can put it here, IT research and development.
Okay.
Spellings are fine.
Yeah, that's okay. I understand.
Yeah, because typing full day, I my hands also get start to pain.
Yeah, that's why I understand. That's okay.
But it's okay.
Then you have to put S also in research.
Oh yeah.
You have to type everything again. Okay. Yeah.
So whatever might be the department in that point in time, this is the button to save. This is this option. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Here
Okay.
you get two options. Here you can save it, or you can put in a period also, a specific period,
What
like
does period means?
the date in which, if you see, there is a plan version. This is the plan version is 01. Current plan is 01. You see this? Which
Yeah.
means the version of this system for organizational management which we are using, that is on a plan version 01, with current
Yeah.
plan starting from 4th, 5th, that is today, is today's date, till 31st of December 9999, right?
Today is 3rd.
Yeah, today's 3rd. And this system might be they have put it in advance.
Okay, that's okay. Yeah.
So this period you can change in case if you need to change the period here.
Okay. So this is the time period, right?
Yes, the
From when
date,
to when?
the date actually, the exact
Dates.
date.
Okay. Okay. I got it.
So in case if you feel that this department is temporary, so you can put it exact date, in which date to which date you want to put it, keep it alive, right? And if you feel
And
that
when this department ends, for example, in a year, then do we get a notification or something that this department is going to end?
yes, yes, being a consultant, you will get every detail. Not only
Okay.
you, the person who will be in charge of this department, he will also get notification.
Got it.
So you save it.
Yeah.
Now here, if you need to put any position, now click on this and click on create.
Okay. First, we have to click on that organizational unit. Then we have to click on the there on that sheet.
Yeah, in this one, yes.
Yeah.
Today, what we do is we'll not cover much. Just look at all these options. Okay, 1, 2,
Okay. Okay.
5, 6, 7. These all options, and go through the document, PDF document which I have shared for this.
Sure. Sure. Sure.
The rest we'll take it tomorrow. I'll create one position. Let's see, human resource. So you can create one human resource, HOD or
Intern.
no. First position will be the HOD, right?
Okay. So, are there any interns in HR team?
Yes, yes, definitely it's there.
Okay.
Some companies hire freshers, some companies do it. So now you will see this department. This is the what? This department, this position is holder of this department, right?
Okay, so the first thing is the organizational unit, which means
Hmm.
the department, and then the head of the department or the anyone which is the highest position in that department. Okay, right?
Yes, yes. So first is your name of the company. Second is your departments. So under the departments, you will start creating the various designations. Okay. Now
Okay,
this
okay.
is the designation. So
I
suppose
got
if you
it.
have created human resource, so first designation will be head human resource, right?
I got it.
Now here, if you need to create any position, like any
Yeah,
person, you need to hire any person, right? So click on this.
in the team.
Yes, yes. So click on this, click on staff assignment.
Staff
अब इंसान भी तो
assignments.
चाहिए, अब कंपनी तो क्रिएट हो गया, पोजीशन हो गई क्रिएट, अब हमें इंसान भी तो करना है,
लोग भी
राइट?
तो चाहिए ना काम करने को.
तो इसके लिए क्या करेंगे, हम बैक में जाएंगे.
Back में
अब इसमें
जाएंगे.
क्लिक करो, ठीक है?
Okay, yeah.
After that, click on staff assignment.
Hmm.
Now here you can assign an holder or create a new position. So both these are what? Like if you click on position,
Yeah.
you will that which means you are creating a position now. Okay, separate position now. Understood?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Now, if you are creating an abbreviation of job, you can create the both jobs and positions together here.
Okay. So abbreviation could be anything, right?
Yes, something related to the
Or there
position
are
and the job.
standard abbreviation for every job.
No, no, no. That is not like that. You can create anything because it's
Okay.
your company. Now, here you can create the jobs and the position together. Okay.
Jobs and the positions together.
Because you might be
Okay.
seeing here that there are two options coming up. One is the job description, right? Second is the position.
Describing job. Okay, so position is the name of the job, like HOD, and describing the job is you have to define what the job would be, right?
Yeah, yeah. So before doing it, don't do it right now. It is easy. It is not a big thing to do. It's simple maintenance. You need to go through the document which I shared it today.
Okay.
Just let stop sharing your screen once. I'm sharing my screen. Just a second. You can see my screen, right? You can see my screen now. Hello.
Yeah.
Here you will see the descriptions are mentioned, like organization unit, what it represents and what it doesn't
Yes.
represent. All these details are there. Okay.
I didn't understand the difference between the job and the position.
I'll tell you.
Okay.
Organization unit, you understood, right?
Yes, completely. Yeah.
So there are two kinds of organization unit. One is a main organization unit. Okay. Second
Yeah.
is, which is also known as a root organization unit. Root means you're starting it. Okay.
Okay.
मतलब जैसे टेस्ट में, ठीक है?
Yeah.
यहाँ पे सब ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यूनिट क्या हुआ, टेस्ट में के अंडर में जो हमने डिपार्टमेंट्स बनाया है वो सब ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यूनिट है जो इसके अंडर में होगा.
So test में is the main unit.
Yes, yes.
And whatever we are creating now, it's sub-organizational unit.
Absolutely, absolutely. Now here, if you look at jobs, jobs and contracts are the classification of functions in an enterprise, like administrator, for example, which are defined by the assignments of characteristics. So
Characteristics.
job serves as job descriptions that apply to several positions with similar tasks or characteristics. जैसे कि अगर suppose you need to hire a few HR managers, marketing managers, sales managers. Okay.
Okay.
Which means this is a job you are putting it online. Okay. But for that, you need to create positions also. Suppose if you hired me today, that I will be working as a sales manager in your company, right? So since you are a startup company, you haven't decided that what is your company hierarchy structure, what will be the whom I'll be reporting to, and all these things. But someday or other, you need to create, you need to decide on it, right?
Yeah.
So once you hire a person, you need to give a position to it. Suppose if you have hired me and in sales, now you feel that we should hire him as a sales manager. So for that, two things required. One is a job, another one is a position. So job will be what? It will describe my everyday task, what I need to do. Like I need to sell, say, for example, 14 laptops every day, right?
Right. So
that is
to define the work you are doing, right?
Yes. And position is what? That is my designation. Okay. So
like a manager or a researcher,
engineer, consultant, designer, administrator, and so on and so forth. Okay. Similar to that, if you look at this picture, you will understand it. The position represents a post that can be occupied by person, employee in the staff assignment of an organization unit. Suppose अगर आप manager देखते हो, if you see manager, there can be many managers, but for different departments, which means that is a position.
Okay, like an HR manager or marketing, right. Yeah.
लेकिन job is what? Manager. ठीक है. Similar to that, if you look at consultant, there can be HR consultant, FICO consultant, SD consultant, MM consultant. These are positions.
I got it.
Okay.
So positions are created based on jobs.
Absolutely. Positions will always be created as per the jobs. So read this document entirely today. Okay. No need to create simple maintenance. That is easy. That if you want to see the system, you can see it. Like your system is a bit new, so which is why it is directly coming to organization management.
So my friend, she's working in this. So she was telling me to show the actual system.
Okay, show it to her. That is not an issue.
No, she's yeah.
Okay, sorry, there's some network issue. I don't know why.
No, that's okay.
You were saying something. Sorry, I spoke.
Yeah, so my friend, she was telling me that she will show me the actual system. So I'll get a look how the actual systems look like.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, the actual system will be same. It's just the difference will be like in this axis which we are using. Here we see the logistics module also, finance module also, right?
Yeah.
But in your friend's system, it won't be there. It will only have either HR or the company in which she is working. If they have taken the license for other modules also, then it will come.
Okay, I got it. Okay, yeah.
Rest will continue tomorrow. Just go through the theoretical part. I'll share my screen.
No problem. Okay.
And you can look at the simple maintenance. Like just look at the system once or twice today. In that way, what will happen is the navigation, once the navigation is quick for you.
What is simple maintenance? Where it is? In the current, today's document, the document shared today?
Yeah, this one. You see my screen?
No. Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Yes, no problem.
Okay, simple maintenance. So I have to see it in the system, right?
Yeah, absolutely. In the documentation which I shared today, here there is no details about. If you scroll down, there is the option for simple maintenance on page number 2. 3.
Okay. Yeah.
Rest I'll continue from with this tomorrow. Again,
No
we'll
problem.
do the simple maintenance, expert mode, and other details. There are 3 ways, so we'll do it. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
All right. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thank you so much. Have a nice evening. Bye bye.